Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back with another KodeKloud engineer tutorial. Today we are in Azure. Our scenario for today is the Nautilus DevOps team deployed an Nginx server on an Azure VM in a public VNet named DevOps VNet. However, the server is still not inaccessible from the internet. As a DevOps team member, complete the following tasks: verify the VNet configuration. Ensure the DevOps VNet allows internet access. Attach the uh, public IP, name this already existing. Attach it to the VM DevOps-VM to make it accessible to the internet. Ensure accessibility. Confirm the VM DevOps VM is accessible on port 80. All right. So in Azure portal, let's go ahead and take a look. Go to the resource groups. Click on the default resource group, and we'll look at each uh, resource one by one. The address space looks fine, and we do have a subnet here. So that's really all you can look at with the VNet. Now let's look at the network interface and see it is attached to the network interface is attached to the network security group and virtual machine, so that's fine. The network security group, we need to add a rule, so add that. In this rule, we need to have access to HTTP. So there's our HTTP rule right there to allow traffic on port 80. And it is connected to the NIC like we saw earlier, so that's fine. All right, let's look at the virtual machine. So we need to give that virtual machine the public IP. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have the public IP right here, and we need to associate this with the network interface of the virtual machine. All right. And as you can see, it says now associated to virtual machine VM DevOps. So we go to the virtual machine, it should say that it has a IP address. So it does. That's good. And now we can look at the routing table. And configured in the routing table rules, for some reason, there is a block internet route here. So we're going to have to change that. We'll go ahead and delete this route. This rule rather, and we'll add one that says allow internet. All right, we'll do IP address, and we'll just add the IP address to the internet. The next hop will be to the internet itself. All right, so that allows internet, and that should be that. Let's go ahead and verify everything. Terminal here. So we can go and do curl IK, then IP number. So that for some reason that's happening. So let's try SSHing into that computer. Okay, so we're going to system control status Nginx. So Nginx is not found. So what we're gonna do is gonna say sudo apt install sudo apt install nginx-y. So we definitely have internet because we're able to download this package. Wait for this to finish. Great. So let's look at system control status nginx again. And we're up and running. All right, so let's go back to our Azure host and we're going to curl again. And as you can see, this time we get a response. It's 200, so that means it's perfect connection, keep alive, all that great stuff. So everything should be perfect now because we do have internet access on port 80 to the Nginx server. So let's go ahead and validate the task. All right, there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I have more videos coming, so give me a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.